property, we know that we are in a knowledge economy. Nowadays, it is a very commonly used terminology and everyone is aware about that. So, 1980 is a time where that shift happened. Okay. Now, you will say why this 1980 or what that major shift happened, especially in US at that time Bayh-Dole Act came into existence, and that probably may be one of the reason for this particular move. But Japan was before that only Japan has used or started using intellectual property, and they were like having great IP management practices before that only. So, our like if we talk about intellectual property development, probably Japan is like a starting point, and then it shifted towards a like it is from east to west movement is there in that particular like IP management, especially when we are talking. Now, what happens